If you could put this into practice, I am telling you, your life is going to improve by 10,000%. Listen, we all realize we got to have downtime. We've got to relax. We've got to reinvigorate ourselves and re-energize. Here's the advice I want to give you. Stop half-assing it with your downtime. Far too often people are like, I'm burnt out. And then they spend 4 hours mindlessly scrolling through their phone or binge watching Netflix. If you're gonna relax, I get it. You need to do that. But make sure you go hard in your relaxation. Do something fun. Do something that invigorates you. Work out. Get a sweat going. Whatever it is. Do something great with your downtime, even if it's only for 5 minutes. And save all the mind-numbing, chilling out, scrolling endlessly and mindlessly through your phone for the losers in life. Work hard, relax hard, stay focused in every way. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.